Hello and welcome to race number 15 here at Iowa. And here today, we are finally back for ramp racing. And yes, I did not say that in the last video that was posted a few days ago by the time I will post this. It's because that video I recorded a while ago. And now I have plenty more new cars. So the drivers that you might sign up for this race might not be as quick as you have seen because of all the new cars that I've got in the last couple of months. Anyways, we are here for the regular season finale here at Iowa. The first time this series has ever been to this track. And as it stands right now, every driver has to win. Only 2 drivers who are outside the bubble can point their way in. That being Carson Hocevar, 13 below, and Harrison Burton, 24 below. Ross Chastain is 13 above. Christopher Bell is 23 above. And Austin Dillon's looking pretty good, 39 above. Unless Austin Dillon finishes dead last and there is a new winner, that's the only way Austin Dillon can miss the playoffs. And heads up for next week, there will be some kind of banner on the front of each playoff driver, and there will only be 2 races in each round instead of 3. So 2 races in the round of 16, 2 races around of 12, 2 races around of 8, and then the finale at I think it's race 22 at North Wilkesboro. Anyways, let's get this race underway as we are finally back, ready for ramp racing. Here in row number 1 is Kaz Gralla, last week's winner. Alongside him is going to be Kyle Larson, Harrison Burton, Austin Cindric. And then row number 2 is going to be Josh Berry, Brad Keselowski, Tyler Reddick, and Joey Logano. And then rounding out the field in row number 3, it's going to be Chase Elliott and Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Regular season finale, Harrison Burton needs a good result. We're underway here at Iowa. And Kyle Larson will go upside down. Not a good start. And so will Brad Keselowski. Kyle Larson and Brad Keselowski go up on their roofs. Brad Keselowski will come in 10th. 9th is going to be Kyle Larson. 8th is last week's winner, Kaz Gralla. 7th is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. 6th is Josh Berry. 5th is Chase Elliott. 4th is going to be Tyler Reddick. 3rd is Joey Logano. 2nd is Austin Cindric. And Harrison Burton will advance to the final round. That is huge for Harrison Burton. Penske affiliated with Austin Cindric. 2 Fords advance to the final round. Austin Cindric, in another race, he might help out Harrison Burton if he's out front. But in the regular season finale, that's not going to happen. Teammates no more. We take a look at your starting lineup for Group B. Here in number 1 is Sheldon Creed, who had an outstanding race last week. Alongside him is going to be Austin Dillon, Denny Hamlin, and AJ Allmendinger. Here in number 2 is going to be Bubba Wallace, William Byron, Riley Herbst, and Chris Buescher. Running at the field in row number 3 is going to be Ross Chastain, who needs a good result today. Only 13 above, and Martin Truex Jr. We're green for Group B. And Bubba Wallace does not make it across the line. But Martin Truex Jr., he will go upside down. Martin Truex Jr. will be 10th. 9th is going to be Bubba Wallace. 8th will be Sheldon Creed. 7th is William Byron. 6th is Austin Dillon. So that, I'm pretty sure we'll lock Austin Dillon in. 5th is AJ Allmendinger. 4th is Ross Chastain. 3rd is Chris Buescher. 2nd is Riley Herbst. Then 1st is Denny Hamlin. I finally got a new car for Denny Hamlin. And this is the first time I think he's ever advanced to the final round. He never does good in ramp racing. Never. I think he's almost, no, Corey LaJoie's dead last in points. Second to last in points with something around like 140. And to put that in comparison with the drivers fighting for the bubble spot, has like 310, 315, something like that. So like 100 and 200, almost 200 points behind to put Hamlin in comparison with Ross Chastain. Anyways, let's look at the starting lineup for Group C. Here, number 1 is going to be Daniel Hemrick, Justin Haley, Carson Hocevar, who needs a good result. Probably needs to make it to the final round since Ross Chastain got 4th. And then alongside him is going to be Ryan Preece. Here, number 2 is going to be Kyle Busch, Eric Jones, your only 2-time winner this year, Shane Van Gisbergen, and Ryan Blaney. Here, number 3 is going to be Zane Smith and John Hunter Nemechek. We're underway for Group C here in Iowa. Carson Hocevar with the jump. And close battle here. Ryan Preece will get 10th. Kyle Busch will be 9th. 8th is going to be Zane Smith. 7th is Ryan Blaney. 6th is Daniel Hemrick. 5th is Shane Van Gisbergen. 4th is John Hunter Nemechek. 3rd is Carson Hocevar. That'll pretty much eliminate him, I'm pretty sure. Because I don't know if he can make up all those spots. And Eric Jones will come in 2nd. Justin Haley will come in 1st. Eric Jones will have a chance to go for 3 wins on the season. And the only it's just like real NASCAR, the only win situation is for the regular season championship. So drivers like Austin Dillon, Kaz Gralla, Christopher Bell, Ross Chastain, they will be going for that. Even though that they are not locked in, they will still be going for it because Kaz Gralla is the leading winner with 305 points. I think Austin Dillon has around 340. So they will still be going for the regular season championship. So if they make it, they will get 15 points to boost their way through the next few rounds, as well as second in the points and so on. Anyways, for Group D, here number 1 is going to be Christopher Bell, Jimmy Johnson, Michael McDowell, and Alex Bowman. Here number 2 is going to be Daniel Suarez, Todd Gilliland, Chase Briscoe, and Corey LaJoie. And here number 3 is going to be Ty Gibbs and Noah Gragson. We're underway here for Group D in Iowa for the final round. And Ty Gibbs will come in 10th. Ninth is going to be Noah Gregson. Eighth is Todd Gilliland. Seventh is Jimmy Johnson. Sixth is Michael McDowell. Fifth is Christopher Bell. Fourth is Alex Bowman. Third is Daniel Suarez. Second is Corey LaJoie. And first is Chase Briscoe. Corey LaJoie, who is dead last in the points with 115, will have a chance to make the playoffs. Could you imagine if Corey LaJoie or Denny Hamlin win in the final race? That would be amazing. It has happened before. Brad Keselowski has been on a terrible streak here recently, but he won, and I think he was either 37th or 38th in the standings, and he won his way into the playoffs. Corey LaJoie, who has finished almost dead last the last 4 races, 4 of the last 5 races, and now will have a shot to compete for a win here in the final race of the regular season at Iowa. As we now take a look at your starting lineup for 2 laps here in the final round. Hero number 1 is going to be Harrison Burton, Denny Hamlin, Justin Haley, and Chase Briscoe. Hero number 2 is going to be Austin Cindric, Riley Herbst, Eric Jones, and Corey LaJoie. 2 laps to decide who will win here at Iowa. For the regular season finale, we're green. Denny Hamlin, upside down, as he just did a barrel roll. Denny Hamlin, he will come in 8th. 7th is going to be Austin Cindric. They will not race 2 laps. But then, these are the drivers who will go on to race in lap 2. 6th is going to be Eric Jones. 5th is Justin Haley. 4th is Chase Briscoe. 3rd is Harrison Burton. 2nd is Corey LaJoie. And 1st is Riley Herbst. Corey LaJoie, 2nd place. Could you imagine if he wins? Riley Herbst is in 1st. Corey LaJoie 2nd. Harrison Burton 3rd. Chase Briscoe 4th. Justin Haley 5th. And Eric Jones 6th. That is your lineup for lap 2 here in Iowa. Who will win? Who is going to win their way in to the playoffs? We're green. Harrison Burton with the lead. Riley Herbst will not make it to the playoffs. Harrison Burton, Chase Briscoe will come in 5th. Harrison Burton will come in 4th. We'll have to check to see next week. We will come out with the final points, and we will see who makes the playoffs. Harrison Burton could have made them. He could have not. Eric Jones will come in 3rd. 2nd is Justin Haley. And yes, do you know what that means? Corey LaJoie has put his number 7 Celsius Chevrolet into victory lane. Corey LaJoie, who was dead last for almost every race in the season, with 115 points, Corey LaJoie will make the playoffs. Justin Haley will come in 2nd, and Eric Jones will come in 3rd. Eric Jones, with that result, may have beat out Kaz Grala by a few spots, who he was trailing behind. And with Noah Gregson's terrible results the last 2 weeks, he might have beaten him out too. Maybe as well as Stenhouse and Elliott, Berry, another few drivers to name who have made the playoffs. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Race 15, regular season finale here at Iowa. We hope to see you guys for the playoffs in race 16. Goodbye.